So angels, what I mean by showing you the city a little bit, I just exit the aquarium, so now I am going straight ahead, and in front of me is such a beautiful view, such gorgeous view that I must show you. So let me show you. So look at these boats, these yachts. Like guys, literally you can buy a boat and park it here and literally live here on this port. Look at that boat right there. Wow. So angels, let me just stop here for a second. I want to say thank you so much for watching Long Beach Aquarium of the Pacific. Tell me, please go ahead. Please angels, go ahead and comment down below. Tell me what you like about this video. What is your favorite animal? Have you been here before? What you don't like? Are we missing some stuff at the aquarium that we didn't see? Let me know, because you know it was a one big gigantic place. So it was my first time there. I really liked it. I really enjoyed it. The animals were so friendly. The staff was amazing. You can bring your cameras in. You can vlog there.
On our next 45-minute hopper tour, last and final boarding call, dock number 2.
You can totally vlog there. No one's gonna say anything. No one's gonna judge. I totally walked around my whole entire, the whole day. I literally walked around the whole day and literally vlogged everything. So it was a great adventure for 30 bucks, $25. It was a very cheap day. So yes, come on down to the Long Beach Aquarium and support the aquarium so they can use the money to feed the animals and the mammals. So angels, thank you so much for joining me on this journey, on this channel. Comment down below, like this video, subscribe to this channel, and let's go get some food. So angels, right now we're just looking for restaurants. There's like 50 to 100 restaurants all around this boulevard. And we have Gladstones and Tokyo Wako. Ooh, that sounds good actually. It's a Japanese grill and I think I'm craving for that. And Queen Mary, did I just pass? Oh, look guys, there is Queen Mary. This is Long Beach, guys. It smells good. It smells like seafood, oysters, seagulls. Well, you can't eat seagulls, but you can certainly eat oysters. So right there, Queen Mary. See that? So there's restaurants. Shoreline Village, there's like, oh my gosh, like we have everything here, and you can literally eat on the boat too, but you have to reserve something. I don't know how to do that yet. Oh my gosh, angels, this is so cool. Literally I see this guy throwing food in the air, and all these seagulls are just coming and catching them in like the air. You guys gotta check it out. Look at it, it's so cool. Oh, that is dope. That is dope. That is dope, man. Angels, I just witnessed the most amazing, the most beautiful thing ever. Like this guy was throwing food up in the air, and a bunch of seagulls was flying all around him and catching food in the air. I did a slow motion video on it, and I hopefully I caught it. So Angels, I have decided to either do glass sounds or Tokyo Wako. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Tokyo Wako. Hello. Oh, here's the sushi. You guys can have sushi. We're doing the grill tonight. I want a whole show. Ooh, yeah, like Benihana style. Hi Angels. So the reason why we stopped here at Tokyo Wako is because I love the show. I love the ambiance. I love the environment. I love the people around us. I love how they cook it in front of us and cut and do the whole cooking show and everything, the whole 9 yards. So we are here to experience it together. If you've never been to Tokyo Wako, here we are. And the dinner treat is on me. And guys, we have salad and mushroom soup. Right now, Angels, it is so cold outside. This soup, mushroom soup, warms my soul, and it's so good, so tasty. A little bit of saltiness, but it's really good. You can definitely smell and taste the mushroom. So good.
How do you want to cook your steak there?
Just medium.
Medium. Okay, you go. See, right over here, chicken teriyaki, right?
So Angels, we ordered already, and here is the chef that's gonna do a whole performance. I ordered the ichiban, I believe it's called, and ichiban is the steak, and I ordered it medium with the lobster tail.
Japanese steak, okay? Here you go. Right? There you go. There you go. There you go. Fire. Everybody ready? Here you go. Oh my God, what happened to your eyebrow? What's this? Here you go. Alright, girl, don't try it home.
It really warmed me up right now.
Pretty good, huh? Outside it's cold, right?
Yeah, outside is really cold.
Japanese pollo loco, huh?
Okay, so what happened is that he just did a whole show with knives, I believe, and then he dropped the chicken in there, and now he's providing some sauce. But the show speaks for itself, guys. So keep watching, keep watching.
Japanese egg roll, huh? Egg roll, be careful of that, huh? Woohoo! There you go. Yeah, right? Yeah, right. Oh, it's so good. Yeah.
Oh yeah, your voice not gonna be in there. So when we saw, I just realized, so when we saw there's a restaurant called Angel, so I got the chicken fried rice, and then we have a side of veggies, which is, I think that's cucumber and mushrooms and onions.
Zucchini.
Oh, zucchini.
Yeah.
Zucchini. Yes.
Thank you very much. Okay, have a
Thank
nice
you.
meal, right? Yeah, thank
Have
you.
a great
Thank you.
evening.
Thank you. Bye.
So our chef just finished cooking this fabulous, wonderful meal, and here we have it, angels. We have the chicken fried rice, the filet mignon, medium, and we have the lobster, we have the shrimp, we have the mixed veggies, zucchini, onions, and mushrooms, and ta-da! Bon appetit! I'm gonna eat. I'm starving. Here's the shrimp. This should be so good because I saw him drowned it with garlic butter, tons of it, and lemon. Oh, it smells so good, guys. You guys never been here? You guys should come. Visit the aquarium or go to the Queen Mary because it's still around here, and then end it with dinner at Tokyo Wako. They serve sushi, they do the whole show, the grill, and then they celebrate your birthday, anniversary. Guys, that's everything. So angels, I'm gonna finish all this food. I'm really hungry, so let me eat and I'll get back to you.